In a small rural town in Guatemala, a group of young people came together to alleviate poverty and empower the community to become self-sufficient through a beehive cooperative. Can you explain this project for us?
Pues es una iniciativa de un grupo de...
It is an initiative of young people who want to give back to the community in terms of the environment, economy, and also to educate ourselves to learn about beekeeping. It is very important to learn together and unite as a community.
Unirnos como trabajar muchas veces ellos en la colmena. Pues es un sueño.
It is our dream that we want to carry out to help the environment by allowing the bees to pollinate the flowers and at the same time provide work for our town.
A través de las abejas y que también podamos dar trabajo para las personas, producir.
Now we can produce food for the community while being self-sufficient and empowering our youth.
Mas te shoch, mas ratum,